how to find edits to your page, posts, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find edits to your page, posts, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down until you find pages and select your page. And now just click this one here and click notifications, click on Facebook, and here you will find it, this one here. You can turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.